Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by aligning intent and environment, clear distractions, and commit to a short, bounded session. Light the black candle for focus, place the water and stone as anchors, and state a concise purpose out loud so your mind has direction. Once done, breathe slowly and center on the candle flame. This anchors sensory attention. Make sure to keep an exit phrase ready. It's a safety key. You will use these elements to funnel attention and tone the state toward deeper, concentrated energy. You now deepen the energy using structured breath and imagery. Follow a steady 4-4-6 breath cycle to shift autonomic balance. Once your breathing steadies, visualize a dark, warm sphere forming at your solar plexus. Imagine texture, temperature, and weight. Make sure to add small, deliberate hand movements over the stone to shape the field. Slow clockwise circles will consolidate focus. Reaffirm your purpose aloud every few breaths. This combination of breath, image, and touch, you finish by sealing and grounding the work. Take a deliberate slow exhale, then gently clap or tap the water bowl to drop residual charge into a physical medium. Once done, jot down immediate sensations, where you felt pressure, warmth, or tension, so you can track effects later. Make sure to perform a light closure if anything feels off. Inhale, imagining clean light. Exhale, releasing tension 3 times. This reverses momentum. If discomfort persists, stop and reconnect to neutral activities until you feel steady again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.